Well, as you guys may or may not know, recently I did put this beloved Evo 10 up for sale. I do not know how much longer the car is going to be here for, so today I want to go ahead and enjoy the car in the mountains. There is a couple little things on the car that we do need to fix before we head on out, so let's pull her in the shop and get to work. Two small things I want to show you guys on this car real quick. The first issue we have that we need to fix is this torn stabilizer bar end link, which is perfect because today's video is sponsored by CTR Suspension Parts. Established in 1952, CTR is an OEM auto parts manufacturer providing premium products for many car makers and aftermarket companies around the world. Being that CTR is an OEM part supplier, these things are going to be equivalent to the OEM quality. Now, of course, we don't want that boot to tear all the way. Actually, kind of already is torn all the way, but if that joint starts getting loose, it's going to start making racket, rattling around, and it's not going to be very stable in corners. So let's go ahead and get these things swapped out with the new CTR end links. And that is a wrap, my friends. Both end links are replaced. Big thank you to CTR for sponsoring today's video. You can check out their parts on Amazon actually, which I will have linked down in the description box below. Now that all of the mechanical things are fixed on the car, I need to go ahead and scan it and figure out why we have a few service codes on the car. Airbag light we cannot fix because of the Brahms seats, but we can fix the steering angle sensor that is currently at 365 degrees. All right, steering angle sensor is zeroed out. We are good to go. Let's top this old girl off. We can head up to the mountain, go for a quick rip, and see how she handles. Well, we made it as far as we can go. The R888s in the snow are not performing all that well as to be expected. 295 wide R888s on a bagged wide body Evo 10. Last thing I want to do is go ahead and dump this beautiful car off the side of the mountain. That would not be very, very exquisite. Had a blast further down the mountain when the roads were still dry. Car handled surprisingly well. I never really know with the air rides. Sometimes I feel like they're not gonna handle very well, but they always seem to surprise me. Handled superb, especially all fixed up with the new suspension component. I love this car. Unfortunately, it's gonna be leaving the fleet soon. She looks very, very nice sitting here in the snow though, I must admit. Massive thank you to CTR for sponsoring today's video. I'll have their products linked down below. If you guys are in the market for any OEM replacement goodies, go check them out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, my friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one.